Okay, so no. Today on the Edgy Veg, Harley and I are going to show you how to make a Wendy's chocolate frosty. Except really, I'm just going to show you. She's just here because she's cute. Harley and I have picked the subscriber of the week, didn't we? And subscriber of the week this week is Megan Stolschein, I think is how I pronounce that. And she commented on the 20 Sustainable Ways video. Love this video. Also, in addition to reusable grocery bags, try reusable produce bags. I actually just bought some on Amazon last week and I'm completely obsessed. I bought nut bags and grocery bags. Thank you, Megan, for your awesome comment and your great advice. And if you want to be subscribed of the week next week, just make sure that we see you. Leave a comment on all of our new videos or old ones, and follow me on social media. All the links are in the description box below. All right, we're gonna put Harley away. We're gonna wash our hands because I know you're all very concerned about that. And we're gonna make a frosty. Okay, you can leave now. Thank you for playing along. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, mommy loves you. Last week I went on my Instagram and I asked you guys what fast food copycat recipes you wanted. And while there were a lot of suggestions, I had some extra time today and I thought I'd throw a super easy video together for you and make a Wendy's frosty. All you need to make this recipe is 2 ingredients, both readily available, plus a blender and an ice cream maker. And if you don't have an ice cream maker, just a bowl and a spatula. All right, let's get started. To our blender, we are going to add half a cup of Cocoa Whip, which is like a vegan Cool Whip. Or if you do not have access to that, you can use canned coconut milk. Then we are going to add 4 cups of chocolate almond milk, or chocolate hemp milk, or chocolate soy milk, whichever milk you prefer, and we're gonna blend that until smooth. Now I'm going to add that to my ice cream maker and I'm going to churn that for 20 minutes or until it's just about ice cream, but not yet. You want it to be like a watery, melty type of consistency. If you do not have access to an ice cream maker, that's okay. Just put it into a bowl and throw it into your freezer. Well, don't throw it because then it'll get everywhere, but place it into your freezer and then mix it every 20 minutes until, again, it has that like just about ice cream look to it. When your Wendy's Frosty is nice and icy, we're going to pour that into a mason jar, or if you're not an insufferable hipster, a normal glass. Throw in a straw and enjoy. This recipe will make 2 Frosties, so if you want more, just multiply the recipe for as many people as you're serving. All right, guys, there you have it, a delicious Wendy's chocolate Frosty. It's nice and icy and cold and delicious, perfect for a summer day. And for those of you asking, it does have a nice hint of coconut. If you don't like coconut, a soy cream will work as well, maybe even a cashew cream to thicken it up a little bit, but I think it's perfect just the way it is. Plus, it's my 2 favorite things, chocolate almond milk and ice cream. All right, guys, if you love this recipe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It tells me that you want to see more recipes just like this. And leave me a comment in the comment section below letting me know what type of recipe you would like to see next. If you are new here, welcome, buongiorno. Take the time to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on new videos every single week. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye. Wait. Harley, come here. Harley, come here. Harley, come here. Harley, come here. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye.